Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So do you need to change the author name stored inside a PDF? Do you want to update documents, metadata, remove an old author name or replace it with your own information? Adobe Acrobat allows you to edit PDF metadata, including the author field. This information is stored in the documents properties and can be viewed by anyone who checks the PDF's metadata. Okay, so in this guide I will show you step by step how to change the author name in Adobe Acrobat in 2026. Simple and effective. So first thing, open Adobe Acrobat, like open the PDF whose author information you want to change. Make sure the PDF is not password protected or restricted. Okay, so open documents properties, like select file, properties, or use Control D for the Windows users, okay, or CMD+D for Mac users. So the documents properties window will appear. This window contains the PDF's metadata settings. Okay, so open the description tab, like click the description tab. You will see fields such as title, author, subject, keywords, creator, producer, file information. So the author field is the settings you will edit. Okay, so the author field stores the document's author's name. Change the author name, like click inside the author field. Okay, so delete the existing name and enter the new author name. For example, John Smith, marketing department, ABC company. So Adobe Acrobat allows direct editing of this field. Okay, so you can leave the field blank if you want to remove the author name. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.